Hey everyone, Gilder, Grayman Prepping. Alright, so still getting over this cold. Last night was a bad night relapse, so that's how come I'm starting so late, because I didn't get to sleep till about 5 o'clock this morning. Alright, so let's get at it to see what I can do before I collapse. I forgot to look at the time before I started. So I got it within about 5 minutes or so, I think. Thinking about half an hour, maybe a little bit more than a half an hour. I was going kind of slow. I only did 165 calories on there. Okay. And anyways, your prep for today. Lighting, emergency lighting, flashlights, plug in emergency lights that come on. So when the power goes out, you have some lights so you're not stumbling around in the dark. Tonight, at 8 o'clock Eastern, 6 Mountain, figure your time zone out from there, is going to be Survival Saturday. The topic is Life's Hard, Woman Up. I'm trying, guys, but I'm just sick. All right. Anyways, Life Hard, Woman Up. It's gonna be a little fun and eye-opening. So you might want to come over and check it out. If you don't see this till afterwards, you might want to go back and rewatch the live stream. All right. So keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill or two. Work on an indoor garden. Actually, see if I can turn this around here for you. I brought in some shelves from out in the shop. I'm getting ready to set up lighting and everything for 6 of those restaurant totes there. So, get your garden going. Prices are going up.